Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the Easy-Stow MI wheelchair lift shown for use in the side door of a Honda Odyssey. This version of the Easy-Stow MI has a tri-point mounting system, which means that you do not need to put hardware on your wheelchair in order to be able to lift the wheelchair into the vehicle. To use it, we lock the chair in. Now you notice when the chair is inside, it actually is in the position where it's sort of doing a wheelie coming upward, which means you're leaving lots more space on the other side in order to have the three passengers in those positions. It's also locked in place, so it's good and secure while the wheelchair is traveling and while you're going where you need to go. When you want to get out, you simply release, bring your wheelchair around, raise the unit, transfer it to your chair, typically from a glide and go type product or some sort of a seat that's in this position. Gives you nice and easy access to the vehicle. We hope you like what you've seen, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited, check out our Facebook page. Go like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. Follow us on Twitter at @accessun. You can also check out our YouTube page at youtube.com/accessun. We have nearly 4,000 videos. Instagram, we're Access Unlimited one word. We're on Pinterest at Access Unlimited 2 words. Our website for contacting us is www.accessunlimited.com. And you can also give us a phone call at 1-607-669-4822. That's daytimes, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, New York time. And also evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you so much for checking out our product here, the Easy-Stow MI with tri-point docking system. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and watch the videos and the detail and the notes down below, which will give you lots more information on this product. Have a great day.